Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna be focusing on how to cook basic white rice. So I have 4 methods that I'm gonna be showing you. 2 of them is reviewing 2 recipes from these 2 other websites that I got, and 2 of them is the one I used to use, which was wrong, and the second one is the one that I use now. So those are the ones that I'm gonna be showing you. This is a review slash showing you how to make something. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it. Perfect. Yeah guys, so that's the 4 ways of making the rice. So I've labeled them rice A, B, C and D. The first one, A, I do think maybe you should add a little bit more water and a little bit more time. Now let's just say make it 20 or 22 minutes, and then add in about just 50 ml of water, and then cook it on medium heat, and it should be covered. Check it after 15 minutes, and then after that just take it off the stove and then just mix it. And then also with all this rice, you can bring in new things that you want to. What I was just showing you was how to make basic rice. From this rice you can go make fried rice, you can go put in your peas or your mixed veggies, frozen or fresh. You can do a lot more. And if you want me to show you these other ways, of number B and number C are the ones that gave the best result when it came to the amount of salt that you tasted after cooking. Number A was a little too salty, but number B and number C were the ones with the better salt. And then the water that was used was the same. The only difference between B and C is the vinegar that's added. Now the ones that I make, I like a little vinegar because I like the little aroma that comes from it, but I know there are people that don't like that. So I alternate between using per cup of rice using a teaspoon of vinegar or a teaspoon of oil. So I alternate between oil and vinegar. Number D is kind of our what not to do basically when you're cooking rice, because the top part, when you cook it, it's gonna come out perfectly. You're gonna be serving it to the people that get that portion, it's fine. It's when you get to the bottom where everything went down to settle that you will end up either throwing that out because you think it's too mushy, or giving somebody rice that's not cooked properly. See, the other thing that I did was I would cover it, but I would leave space for the first 10-15 minutes of my cooking. For the last 5-6 minutes I will cover it and then allow it to cook within the steam, and that for me has always worked and it comes out perfect all the time. So guys, that's it from me. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. The links are gonna be down below in the description box. Also check out my other videos. They are gonna be on the iCards on somewhere around the video, so check that out. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get my new videos every time I upload. That's it for me, guys, and until next time, bye.